my lessons. So since you guys are new to me, there's certain things that and expectations I require of you. So during my instruction, as I'm talking to you, I need your full and undivided attention. That means you don't have earbuds in, you don't have your headphones in, you don't have those ear warmers in or earplugs like that guy. Oh, can you hear me? Thank you, thank you. All right, so I have your full attention, so I know everyone's paying attention. You know you're right here. I can still see it, right? How's it going? What's up, homie?
My bad, wrong class.
Are you sure?
That's right.
Who are you?
No, you're here. Correct.
Raul?
I'm in the right class?
Yes, Mr. Correct. But not Mr.
Yes, I am the new guy.
Alright.
Okay, so who's this guy again? Raul? Anyone recall where Raul sits? I think wait, did it sit over there?
I don't know.
Was that empty yesterday?
I think, yeah.
Okay, go ahead, take that spot for right now, then we'll get started with this. Okay, along with the expectations of you guys doing what you're supposed to be doing, we are going to go through. Hey, no más, es notas. Thank you. Sorry. All right, so again, I record my lessons, especially for students that come here really, really late and don't know what's going on. Also, I like introducing my class because all the time when we're doing these videos, we got to have an intro. It's always like all you good YouTubers have an intro, right? Like big explosions and all kinds of crazy stuff, right?
No.
Yeah? No? No? Not anymore? I know. Yes, I am getting old. I know. Wow, thanks. Man, all right. Anyway, all right. So this is how we start the class. So I start off by saying class, and you guys say yes. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not sure everyone heard me. Should you have your earbuds in?
No.
Should you have your headphones in? Thank you. All right. So when I say class, you say
Yes.
okay, let's see. Let's try this again. All right, so you guys ready? All right, class.
Yes.
Class.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. Good. So, super easy, right? Yes. Anyway. Now, today in our notes, we're starting on page number 5. Circles and their characteristics. Page number 5, I had you guys start out by writing the page numbers on the top of each, right? So we know where to go. So let's say, for instance, I am not playing with my phone during my class. I have what in front of me? No. Es malo. Bad. No. Thank you. Good. All right, so we're going to go over these notes for circles and their characteristics. A circle with center D, in this case right here, so center D, and on your paper, we're going to label it center D. Put the D there. It's called, okay, or there is a symbol, which is a circle with a dot right there in the middle, okay, that refers to as center D. A radius is a segment whose endpoint lie on the center and another endpoint on the circle. So in this case right here, I would have a radius. Let me change up my colors. I would have a radius going this way. So it has a point there and it has a point there. So the radius is from the center of my circle out to the edge. And guess what? All these lines are straight. Okay, no curvy, no wavy lines. They're all straight lines. Next one is going to be a diameter of the segment that passes through the center whose endpoints lie on the circle. So for this one, it is going all the way across. So it starts over here, ends over here, goes all the way across through here, through the center, connecting both sides. That's diameter. The interior of a circle is set of all points inside this circle. The exterior of a circle is set of all points outside the circle. So inside would be any single thing that is inside here. These are all inside, where outside would be there, the exterior on the outside there. Inside and outside, right? Are we good? Yes, no? Maybe? Question. Super easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You know there's a test on this coming up real soon, right?
No.
Yes. If I give you a test on this tomorrow, would you get an A on that?
No.
No? Then that means you don't understand what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Okay. No, yeah, no. He knows 2 words. It's yeah, no. Okay. Anyway. So let's go through here. More vocabulary. Chord is a segment whose endpoints lie on the ends of, inside a circle. So in this case right here, my chord, what would I call this chord here? What is my 2 endpoints? A and B, right? So I can name a line by its 2 endpoints. So it's chord AB. Did everyone get the tape? Anyone not get the tape? Okay, can you guys pass it that way? So this is chord AB. Next one is going to be a secant. It's a line that intersects a circle at 2 points. So if it intersects, now let's say for instance, I watched, what's that game with the weird shaped ball that people like throw at each other all the time? I don't know. It's kind of like pointy ends, like yeah, football. Okay, but it's weird because they don't do much with their feet, right? It's more of a hand, right? Shouldn't it just be handball?
They kick it.
How often do they kick it?
One time.
Yeah, see? But all the rest of the time it's anyway. So that thing right there, the pointy ends. There is a word that they use in those games which is referred to as a interception. What is an interception? Okay, but you can't define a word by using the word.
It's when you stop it from going to its final destination.
Okay, so it is. So right there. So is it supposed to go all the way through? So an intercept would be here and here. So it's crossing it. The word intersection. You guys all drove to school this morning, right? Everyone, all sophomores have cars now, don't they? Yeah. So as you guys driving your nice brand new cars to school, you drive through the intersection right there. Intersection is where it crosses. Yes. So right there where that stoplight is. So it's where it crosses. So it's going to be, this is my secant line. It is crossing at these 2 points, but it keeps going. It keeps going there on both sides. A tangent line is the line on the same plane. It has a circle that intersects exactly at 1 point. That means my line can only touch it at 1 point. Again, right here, touching it at 1 point, that is referred to as my point of tangency. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, good. So my straight line, my tangent, which is going to be line M, is going to go through there. There we go. Computer's not liking me today. So let's go through and solve some of these. Now, I'm going to come around, I'm going to point at you, and you're going to give me the answer. Let's see if we actually understand these things. Name this circle. I would call the whole circle, circle what? No.
Round. B.
What is it?
B.
V?
B.
B?
Oh.
Not B. She said what? E?
No. B. D. That one. You know, like the right?
P.
B. Yeah.
Yeah. P. She said P. Wow, see? Oh, man. Thank you. No worries, no worries. Okay. I just don't hear very well, so that's why I always have to come over.
I didn't get it.
P, absolutely correct. Good job. Circle P because that is a point very in the center. So we would call this one circle P. So I could write out the word circle and P, or is a little symbol for that? What's a little symbol? Circle with the dot, right? Circle with dot. So that would be a circle dot P. Pretty easy, right? All right. Wait, hold on. Like Archer. Ah, okay, good. You ready? Name the center of the circle.
P.
Good job. There we go. Now, you ready? Now it's getting crazy. Can you tell me a diameter? Give me a name of a diameter. I don't know. Don't you have a definition right here? With a picture. Which one's the diameter? No. All right, that guy. T. Almost.
H.
That guy.
S.
S. You're close. Just as close as that guy.
ST?
ST. Why is it ST?
Damn.
Because, huh?
That's what I said. I said TS.
Did he say TS?
Yeah.
Really? I only heard T. Like I said, I can't hear very well. So I need you guys to speak it up. So I apologize. Yes, you guys both did a good job. It is, okay, diameter goes all the way through the circle, so it's going to be TS. TS, so you can write that in two different ways. So you can write it as a line with two arrows on top, T and S, or you could do it as a line segment, T and S. So if you notice the line has arrows on both sides where a line segment does not have arrows. So that means a line segment stops on both ends where a line continues to go in both ends.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So this next one is asking for a radii. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Q and P.
QP.
Yeah.
Good job. You said QP. So we have Q. P, that's going to be a line segment. Now, good job. Now, hold on. I'm going to come back to you, all right? Okay, I need to go pick on Karen. It's my checklist for every day is I got to pick on Karen. Okay, so Karen, give me another radii. Your name's not Karen.
Oh.
Yes. What you got, Karen? I almost heard. V? You say V? You say V? Okay, what is the radius? It starts here and ends here. Do we have any segments that could do that? Oh, maybe. Start here and end there? Yes, we can. So, all right, Karen says it's PS.
Yeah.
All right, and one more. Unomas, and Unomas coming from Dahlia over here. What you got? So we already did QP, and then we did P to S. PT, good job. So my last one's going to be PT in this case. So line segment PT. So, there you go. Hopefully. Okay. Now, a chord. So, a chord does what? It just touches on both sides, right? Does it go to the center?
No.
No, it does not go to the center. So, supposedly, I have two chords here. Supposedly. Still working on names, so usually just gonna be I'll point at someone and they're like, yeah. All right, give me a chord. QR. QR. Good job. Yes, that is correct. So we're going to have QR as my okay. I don't see another chord.
Where are you looking?
Yeah.
Where?
I why no V and
Why?
no V
We were
and
just talking.
no I wasn't.
What is it? What's a chord have to do? It goes through the circle, but it doesn't go through the center. Is there another one that goes to the circle that does not go through the center?
V U. Huh?
It doesn't go through the
A segment whose endpoints lie on a circle. So by definition, okay, what they're trying to get at for the second one here, they're going to try and trick you on this, but don't let them. They would also consider this a chord because it ends here and here. But I don't like that. It's not a good definition. Okay, so I'm only going to accept that one. Okay, because the other one has a different name. We call it a diameter. A diameter is also a chord. It's kind of like all thumbs are fingers, right? All thumbs are fingers, but not all fingers are thumbs.
lots of peanuts.
Exactly. Anyway, next one. We got chord. Next one is going to be a secant. Is a line that intersects a circle at 2 points. Okay, do we have any of those? Isn't this also? So by definition, what they're saying is this is also referred to as a secant because it goes through here, right? So it's also going to be a QR. Now, tangent. Tangent. Can you tell me a tangent? Perfect. Good job. UV. UV, that's the line segment UV. Ah. Line segment UV. And, okay, last but not least, can you tell me the point of tangency? Where does it touch? Come on, soldier boy. Yeah, where's the touch? Put it there. Come on, get up there. It's at where? No, not VU. It's a point. Give you a hint. It's soldier boy. U is where the answer is. U. Okay, so look. Single point. Sorry. Single point U right there, right? So a point is only just one letter. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's going to be point U. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Anyone have questions, concerns, complaints, or even conspiracy theories? Yes.
What size is this glass?
Not soon enough, right? I know. That's crazy. I don't know. I have it up on my computer because I still don't know. So, because today is like the second day I have you guys as class, but both of these days are like a weird schedule. So coming tomorrow's going to be like the first time it's a regular schedule. Okay? All right. So, guess what? You guys are all going to like, share, and subscribe on this one, and then we are going to talk about what you guys are working on page 4.